Okay, let's start with the second part of this tutorial. So I'm going to deal with the exit and the reset first. So for the exit, let's just come into the let me copy this system window forms, then I will then attach a dialog to it. Okay, now let's double click on this, right in here, paste that, the system windows forms column dialog. That will be dialog result, really. There we go. Then I will now declare my own variable of iExit. That's the name of my variable there. Then this very iExit variable, let's come down here and say equals message. Let's go for message box column show, and let me enter my message there. My message will be confirm if you want to exit. That's my message right there. And now let's come in here, put a comma there, and enter stock control. That's the name of the system. Now let's enter another comma so that we can use that for message box button. There we go, message box buttons there. And I will then select yes or no. There we go. Now comma, let's go for message icon now. Message, which will be the icon that will come out of the system right here. The icon that will be displayed on the message box is there, dot information there, and semicolon there. Now let's use an if statement to validate what we have inside iExit. iExit equals, let's say system, undo that, let's copy all of this again, system dialog, this very one, I'm going to copy all of that, paste it right there, and let's go for column yes. So if that is yes, what I want the system to do is, let's enter curly braces there, is application right there, application column exit, and enter a, we need parentheses there, enter a semicolon. That's it. So from here down here, have a good look at those lines of code inside Visual C#. What will happen is when you run the program will prompt you to confirm if you want to exit. But if you click on yes, the system will exit. If you click on no, nothing will happen. So I'm going to run it now, then you guys see what I'm talking about. There we go, guys. So I click on exit, nope, exit, yes. Okay, that's just what a few lines of code does. That's beautiful. Okay, now let's come in here. So with this very one, want to reset everything, so double click on it. I need some space here, and something like CMB, that's the text, no, sorry, I think that's going to be text, yeah, equals, let's convert that to 0 because there's 0 in there. Then the other ones, all I just want to do is to get rid of whatever value we have in there. So I'm going to copy this, let's paste them in there, delete the 0. Now copy this, go for the other CMD customer, make that 0. CMB sales, make it clear, the 0 as well. CMB ID 0. CMB payment method 0. Then we still have some more. CMB product ID, yeah, 0. CMB, make that 0 as well. So that is to clear all of the combo box. Now let's clear LBL action, clear LBL cost, clear TXT order, clear LBL description, clear. Okay, LBL for the item, clear that as well. LBL number of item order, clear. Now you get the whole idea. I'll just speed that up. It's just repeating the same thing. Okay, those are the lines of code to clear the whole components. There they are, right there. Alright, so now the next thing we want to do is, let's come back into the design. You see this very one, whenever I click on it, I would like this very one to populate all of this. So let's double click on that and use an if statement to get that going. So if product ID, open a bracket for text, we want the text, then equals, let's see the names we have in there. We need those numbers on the form load. Yeah, that's it. So the first one will be 1. Okay, so if that is 1, I want the following to happen. So we copy all of this, description and so on. It's got nothing to do with the reminder. I think all of this, paste them in here. And action, we're not going to need the action. The cost, we need a cost. So let's say the cost is £20. Alright, and we don't need this. Description of the product, maybe that would be, let's go for white grain. Okay, now we need the product itself, product name, this very one, and we also need this. Let's copy those and just bring them down for now. I think we have that already. Product name, let's put that on top. Product name, in this case, let's go for rice. Now item order, item number, let's say we have about 250 bags. Okay, I'm going to investigate this before I can continue, but let's just put numbers in here first. Now that is for the very first one. We can also use else. Say else if this one is 2, then we want this to be rice or beans, and the cost, let's go for maybe about £18 and white stroke black grain, and let's enter about 10 in there, and we're talking about 70, and that is fine. So let's try this out first. Save, build. Okay, let's run it. If we select any of these, there. Okay, so I'd like it to be able to populate the rest. Okay, populate 1, 2. Okay, these 2. This one is not meant to be there. This is for customer. So whatever customer enter in here will appear in here. That's what we want to do there. Right, so I'm going to now close that and just sort this out. I want stock level, reorder level, stock level. Let's come up here, look for stock level and reorder level. There they are. So this is incorrect. Stock level is 250. 250. Reorder level, let's see, the reorder level for that product is about 30. And the same thing, let's come in here, copy that and get rid of this. Okay, now we can change the stock level here to maybe about 3, and that's the reorder level. Let's go for 40. Save, build and run. Select anything there. That is correct, that's what I want. Okay, that's fine. The price of the rice is different from that of the beans. That is fine. Okay, now action will be based on whatever is in here. So whatever we enter in here, we want it deducted from here, and the remainder entered in here. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Okay, let's exit and start from here. Very text box, double click on that very text box, and I will declare the following. Let's declare the following variable. Double, I'm going to call that stock level. That's my first variable, comma, number ordered. That's my second one, and the third one I'll call that remainder. There, those are my variables. Now let's look at this. We want whatever we have in here. So let's get the name of this very one. That's LBL number order, and this one is text. Right, so back in there, double click on that, come in here, LBL number of item order dot text, that'll be text equals txt that. Text. Alright, so whatever value I entered in here should come in here. So let's run that and see that for now, and we'll take it from there. Alright, we select that, or we select 2, right? Then enter whatever value in here, and that goes right in there. You see that, guys? Okay, what about this? This is supposed to be item. Let's reset it and see what will happen. 1, 2, and this is not supposed to be there. Enter a value here and there. Okay, that's fine. Item ordered, that's supposed to be beans. Okay, so let's get the name here, assign it here. So come in here, back in here, the name product, and this name was the name of this, LBL item order. Double click on this, LBL item order equals product equals this product name, LBL item order equals this. So let's cut that all off and put it right underneath here. There. Okay, that's taken care of. Now let's see. So whatever we have in here should appear. No, that's not right. I need the name. I think the names are wrong. Get this. Select that. Select this and copy. LBL item order. Click in here. Let's check that out. LBL item order. Okay, that's correct. Undo. Let's just copy all of this. Oh, we may have another LBL item order. No, we don't. Okay, cut that off now. Oh, that's clear. It's in the wrong place. It's supposed to be right in here. LBL. That is it. It should be there. There we go again. Right here. Okay. Run it again. Let's see. Select there. Okay, that's fine. Alright, so we need 3 more. I can just copy that and populate. Yeah. Else if copy and change this serial the ID number to 3, and this maybe we can call this carrot, and description of that will be vegetable. There, and maybe 20 carrots, and we can have like 400 there. And out of stock, if it's out of stock, we can say about 30. That's for carrot. Now the last, okay, we need 2 more. Alright, so let's go for eggs here, and now the poultry. That's poultry, and maybe 150, and this one is about 670 there. And the cost of eggs 1.34. okay, and this is number 5, this is number 4. Okay, now this one, let's make this bread. Cost of bread maybe £1. Yeah, and that is supposed to be white grain. Okay, stroke brown. Yeah, and let's go for about 550 there. Out of stock, maybe 50, and here 100. Right, so that is that taken care of. Yeah. Alright, now let's take care of the rest of this in here, the text box there. So what I want the text box to do is whatever I entered in here is deducted, and then the remainder is displayed here. So let's come back in here, double click on this. Okay, let's start with that of the stock, I think stock level, the variable stock level there equals, let's go for stock level, that is, okay, let's come in here, and now we actually need to convert it, so that becomes, let's go for double colon pause, yeah, there. Okay, now we need to repeat the same thing for number order, this very one. Come in here, paste that in there, number order equals double, and we don't need the item itself, I think it's this. Yeah, copy that, paste it right in there. Yeah. Now remainder, get this, paste it in there, equals, I think the stock level now becomes stock level, this very one. Let's put it in a bracket to make it look a bit neater, and take this off it. There. Now we now need to assign if whatever is left inside, LDL, remainder, and text. So to assign that, then we should go for system. Let's say system, there, column convert, because we have to convert it to string for the object to be able to assign it into the object. Okay, and what we are converting is this one, remainder, right there. Get that, paste it right in there, and enter a semicolon there. So hopefully that should work. Now let's run it. We're gonna have to compile it first though. Alright, there we go. So we select our product, and in here the product level is 400. Let's say if we go for 320, that is it. You see the remainder is 80. Okay, supposing is 324. Look at that. Right, that's what we're trying to achieve. That's fine. Okay, what about this action? Or maybe we should even move this here and move action over there. Okay, so let's do that. Yeah, that would be much better. Then we can call it the, yeah, let's move that first. Let's move all of this. Let's move it somewhere here. Undo. Let's cut it off. Cut. Move this down here. Paste that in here. Yeah. Okay guys, let me run it and you see how it looks like. This is how the whole system is looking like now. So with that, I'll call it the end of this second part of this tutorial, and I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.